Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove a door. I'm replacing this carpet with laminate flooring, and taking the door out here is going to make it so much easier. For years, I've taken these doors off the hard way. So the hard way to do these is by taking the screws out of your hinge here and removing the door from the hinge. That's way more difficult because you have to line those screws up. It's a pain to align your door on those hinges. So I'm going to show you the better way to do this. If you take a look at the back side of your hinges here, there's a couple pins, one on the top, one on the bottom. So we're going to take these pins out and slide this door right out. All you're going to need is a flathead and a hammer. This pin is actually already popped up a little bit, but you're going to go to the top of your pin and you're going to tap it out. Usually these come out really easy. If you've painted over your hinges, it's going to be a little harder. You might have to scrape your paint, but these pop right out. Got the bottom done. Now we're going to do our top one. This one is down all the way, so we got to be a little bit more careful. Tap it out. And this pulls right out. Now be careful, because this could fall back on you, but now all I have to do is just slide that door out of those hinges. Now my door's off. Now when it's time to put this door back in, it's just as easy. You're just gonna line your hinges back up. I'm gonna take a pin first for this top one. I put the top one in first to get it to balance. Now if you had somebody else available, it might be a little easier for them to hold the door, but you can see I'm doing this by myself. These slid right in. You might need to tap them down a little bit. Fortunately, I never really painted over these hinges, so they went in nice and smooth. But yeah, now this door is right back up. When I used to unscrew the door from the hinge, I needed someone else to help me out. It was a pain to line up. It's harder on your fingers. You can pinch your fingers, but this method is just so much easier. I wish I knew how to do this when I first started taking doors off.